Hello, today we're going to be taking off the bars of a scooter and a clamp. So the first thing you want to do is get a perfect size Allen key and unscrew your clamp. All 3 bolts or 2 bolts, or if you even have 1 bolt, just unscrew that 1 bolt. Don't take it out fully, just leave them hanging in there. Do the other side. Figure out which way it's unscrew. And obviously the other side. And that's the first step. Step 2. So what you want to do is put your foot on your deck and pull your bars right off. Done. Great. Step 3. Take a hammer and gently hammer your clamp off of your bars. Step 4. Do what you want to do with your bars, your clamps, or your deck or whatever. And then we move on to step 5. Step 5. Take your clamp, put it back on your bars, and if you want you can gently hammer it in just to make your life much easier, and put it exactly straight, just like that. Step 6. Take your bars, slide them straight on to your deck, or to that part where you slide them on. Step 7. Tighten your bars just a little, not all the way, just like that. On each of the bolts, but make sure you do not tighten it all the way because that can ruin a lot. Step 8. Put your feet between your wheel and then make your bars as straight as you want. So just right is the best. Then Step 9. Tighten all the bolts on your clamp as tight as they go. Thanks for watching, and always remember, subscribe!